Hello, my name is Lucy Simpson. I'm a citizen of the Navajo Nation and a senior staff attorney with the Indian Law Resource Center. I've been with the center for about 6 years now, working out of our Helena, Montana office. At the center, I work mostly on our environmental work, the work the center does in North America. I'm the project director for our Fort Belknap project, which is working with the Gros Ventre and the Assiniboine tribes of the Fort Belknap Indian Reservation in north central Montana, where we're working to ensure adequate reclamation of the Zortman-Landusky gold mines that severely contaminated the waters flowing onto the reservation. I also am the project director for our Alaska work, which involves working with the Yukon River Intertribal Watershed Council, which is a coalition of Alaska Native tribes and First Nations from the Yukon Territory who are all working together to protect the Yukon River. That project also involves working with the Kuskokwim Watershed Council, which is a new organization, a coalition of Alaska Native tribes along the Kuskokwim River that are working to protect the river and maintain their subsistence lifestyle. In addition to those projects, I also work closely on our Safe Women Strong Nations project, our Native Land Law project, and our work to do human rights training for Indian leaders throughout the United States on how to effectively advocate at the international level. Much of our work is revolved around the idea of law reform, not just for Indian communities in North America, but also in Central and South America. As Indian peoples, our tradition, our cultures are so connected to our relationship to our lands, and our legal relationship to our lands is just completely controlled by federal policies. So to really be able to maintain our traditions and our cultures, we need to strengthen our ability to make our own decisions about our land, and it's all really tied together. So the work that we do here, I think, supports that, and that's really some of my personal goals as an advocate for Indian people working as an attorney with the Indian Law Resource Center. I think that really if we want to do work to maintain our cultures and we want to do work to improve the lives of our communities, we have to do work that improves our ability to control our own communities, our lands, and the kinds of decisions that we're able to make. As a mother of 2 children, I want my children to really have a sense of where they come from and to have a homeland to return to. And so I think that the work that we do here at the Indian Law Resource Center really fits in with that. That it's a long-term process. It's going to take years and years and years to really reform the system to do the kinds of things that we need to do, but that's sort of why I do what I do. It's thinking about my children and thinking about those generations to come. Oh, yeah.